All right, what's going on, guys? I just received a package in the mail probably like an hour ago, and hopefully you guys can hear me a lot better than before. I just added a mic to the GoPro. Manifold should be in here, the brakes, brackets for the EPS, and a valve cover. I don't know if he made that all fit in here, but hopefully it didn't get damaged. I know they put the fragile on the top. Oh, they put it on the side as well. All right, so they did a good job. So let's bring this over here and let's do this box opening, because I know you guys like box openings. I kind of enjoy these videos, honestly. I like doing these videos with you guys. I'm hoping nothing is damaged in here, but it should be pretty good, man. He does pretty good job packaging everything and making sure it's all good. This screwdriver is not, okay, there we go. See, I told you his packaging is like A1, man. It's crazy. He even included some Brembo stickers. I hope they're white though. I don't know what color they are. Hold up, let's see. Can't really tell. Oh shit. How am I supposed to remove this? Are these white? Yeah, they're white. All right, so white Brembo stickers. That's perfect. I didn't ask him to do that. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use this, but he included white ones, so he kind of sees my vision. So let's open up the valve cover first. And for those of you that don't know, this EM2 is my girl's build, so this car is going to be for her and just something for us to spend time together and stuff, ride around. So it's funny because it gives me an excuse to build another car. So it's perfect, but honestly I don't need two builds, so it'd be good for her to have her own build and maintain it and all that stuff. So let's see how this turned out. Yeah, you could barely see it, but it's basically like a black valve cover. It's just black. It has some flakes though in it. Yeah, thing is nice, man. And he always does a beautiful job. Like, there's no imperfections. Like, this thing is flawless. And he does make sure that no sand gets in it or anything. I've had, let me see, 2 other valve covers from him on the RSX, and I've had 0 issues. So yeah, man. I kind of wish the flake was a little bigger and noticeable. But man, I like it. It's gonna look good. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful valve cover. Let me know what you guys think, man. See what else we got here. This is like Christmas right now. This is the brackets for the EPS. Those of you that have electric power steering from a EP3 know what these brackets look like. So I got a black set done for my car, and then I got a silver set done for her car. Here's the black one, just for a comparison. I like how he powder coated the top of these. That's great. Love it. I have local powder coaters around here, but I trust this guy the most. At least till I start powder coating, because that's like my goal, just to powder coat, eventually powder coat my own stuff. So that sits kind of like that in the car. Actually, not like that, like that. No, it is like this, just like that. RSX, and then that one's for the Civic. So that's gonna look great. Set that aside. And we got the Brembo Calipers. These are DC5R. If you guys haven't been keeping up with my YouTube, I bought these off eBay and they're pretty beat up. So sent them to get powder coated and it should be good, man. They should come out pretty good. He does a pretty good job. I never worry about it. Like, look at that. It's flawless, no scratches on it. He smoothed it out for me, and yeah, thing is nice, man. And again, my apologies if you guys can't see very well. I'm trying a new thing with the GoPro, so I'm just gonna give it a shot and see how things turn out. Same thing with this one. It's flawless. Flawless. It's nice. Love it. Love it. Here's all this. All the little piston things. Beautiful, man. Beautiful job. Love it. Yeah, that's nice and smooth. This one's nice and smooth. Yeah, did a great job, man. Damn, I hope this is picking up good on the GoPro, because these things just look great. Go ahead and put this down. I want to scratch my table. So that's that one. Here's this one. Nice and smooth. This one has like a little something in there. Looks like dirt or something. Yeah, there it is, guys. The reason I went with the DC5 Brembos is because it bolts right onto the car, man. All you need is like, I think it was S2000 rotors, and then the brake pads are from like a 350Z, and then that's it. It bolts right up. So this is the way to go. And I do have TLS on my RSX, but honestly, I should have just went with the DC5 Type R Brembos. It's less headache. It bolts right up, and you don't have to like heli coil all this like they do and then shim it and shave it down and all this other stuff. Or some people be drilling out their knuckles and then running a spacer inside the rotor and all this stuff. Like, I don't know, I would say just avoid all that, avoid that headache, and just go with DC5R Brembos. They're about, you could probably find them from 500 if you get lucky to like anywhere to like 650 range. But yeah, there it is. That's that. So I'm gonna set these aside. I do have to put these together, but hold up, let me show you guys. I got new hardware. I'm down here. I got new rotors right here, so I'll open those up actually for you guys. Here's the knuckles and the hubs and all that stuff that I'm gonna reuse. I don't know yet. I might actually powder coat these, and I don't know, just to protect them, and I don't have to stress. I don't have to worry about that building up corrosion and stuff. So I might actually get those powder coated locally or something. I don't know, we'll see. I do have a mess in here now officially. But I got new hardware for these calipers, so I just gotta, actually I'm gonna double check and make sure it's gonna work, and it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. Oh my god, why did this guy send me, they don't fit, yo. Did he send me these, the bottom ones? You guys see how chewed up these are? So it was a hassle to get these out of there, honestly. And I don't know why, man, because he told me it was for a DC5R, same length, but these are much thinner. Like, these are way thinner. Also, all the bleeder screws were like corroded and stuff, so I'm just gonna get new ones as well. But anyways, I got both sides. I got all the seals and stuff. So I don't know, we'll see how that turns out. This is what I ran in the RSX on the back rotors, the centric ones, and I like these better. The front rotors I got that were drilled and slotted and stuff, I don't really like, honestly. I think centric is just a lot better. Last part that we have is the manifold RBC. With this one, I decided not to do a wrinkle finish. I just decided to just leave it just regular, you know, just a regular powder coat. So there it is. This is exactly what I wanted, like a matte finish, or like a just like a flat finish on this. I really like it. It has like a small wrinkle to it, I believe, but it might just be from the finish of the manifold, you know. So yeah, there it is. Not bad. Hopefully I shaved it and I test fitted it, because I don't think I did it with this one. So I might actually have to shave this some more, like right here. I don't remember if I did. Yeah, I might have to look, man. So I might have to shave this and then paint it right here or something, because I don't remember if I did. I should have checked that before shipping it, but I didn't. I do have to drill and tap this spot right here. That has to get drilled and tapped. And then I'm gonna cap that off, and then the brake booster, the new spot's gonna go down here. It's really easy to do. I'll see if I make another video on it, but I don't really have to, because I have a really good video already on this. So if you guys are looking for that video, just look in my YouTube and you guys will find it. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And I think that was it, man. Honestly, I think that's all we had. So everything turned out really good. I'm happy with it. While we're here, I'll go ahead and show you guys some other things that we got. For the Camber Kit, I went with the Skunk 2. I'm really impressed with their quality. This is my first purchase from Skunk 2. I've never purchased anything, just because there's like such a mixed review about them, and like some people hate them and some people love them, and then I don't know, it's like that for everything anyways. Like, people always have an opinion about everything. You don't know until you try it yourself. So I was impressed with this right here. It's like it gives you a serial number, authentication card or something, and I don't know, I really like this touch right here. That's good stuff from them. Skunk 2 has been around forever, so I'm pretty sure they didn't start this in the beginning. They probably started doing this later on when, you know, China and all that stuff started replicating their stuff. But yeah, you guys need to check these out. The quality is really good on this. I do have a couple friends that are running this. Before I even purchased it, I did ask them and they recommended it, and yeah, they're not lying, man. Like, this will be super easy to adjust your camber on the go if you have to. And this is coated right here, so you don't have to worry about like corrosion and all that stuff. The ones that I do have in my RSX, like, it's really hard to like turn these and do all that stuff, and I feel like the build on this one's just a lot better. There it is, 516 05 05 10 01 Civic 02 Plus Integra or RSX. I did get a bunch of 10mm bolts off eBay, different sizes. I got black. I got these like gold, I don't know, plated ones. Yep. And then I got the rack slider from SHG. And yeah, this thing is great. I thought this thing would be like made out of something else, but it's honestly, it's like plastic or some shit. I don't know. It's pretty nice. This is supposed to solve all the play in the rack and stuff, so it'll keep it nice and solid. And I might as well do it now before I put the rack in the car and all that stuff. So I just want to get the little stuff out the way. The rack that I got was actually from a Civic, and I think it was a 02. So if you think about it, it's about 19 years old, the rack slider that's in that car. So it's about time we replace that. All right, so for the front brake pads for the Brembo calipers, I'll show you guys which ones I got. Bosch, I think these are called like blue or something like that. Let's see if I get a number here. So yeah, brings all this, brings the clips. I'm not sure if I can reuse these. I don't remember. I'll have to compare them to the stock DC5R ones, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, here it is. Should work nicely. Yeah, these are the ones for the back. Again, guys, I've never tried power stop. If you guys have tried it and have like some feedback on it, go ahead and let me know what you guys think. But yeah, these are the ones I got for the rear. Now the rear is all gonna be RSX Type S. Since we're doing a 5-lug conversion, it's just all gonna be Type S in the back. So Z17, I don't know, these were really cheap, man, but they're all ceramic. I made sure they're ceramic. So this is what I got, RSX Type S rotors for the back. Yeah, nothing special. It's just it was a good sale and I went ahead and went with that. So I like the amount of choices they have on their website, Rock Autos. TPS, I was trying to find a used one online just so I could order one on Amazon and do the whole swap-a-roo and then return one and get a good deal. But this is what I have in the RSX. Now let me tell you guys, if you guys are trying to run the OEM TPS, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna feel as good as this one. I'm telling you, once you swap the TPS, the car feels completely different. It just runs better. I don't know what it is about this, but it completely helps. There's new hardware, little decal in there, so definitely gonna put this on the throttle body we got. So that's that. I know we got a lot of stuff, but this is stuff I've been collecting for a while now. Now this I got off eBay. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but anyways, it's just a tensioner, cover plate or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that and probably put this. I don't know if I'm gonna use it yet. I'm probably gonna install it and see if it sits nice and tight. It has like a brand new gasket on here. So I'm gonna see if it sits like, you know, if it sits on there really good, I might use it. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna put the OEM one back on, or maybe just buy an OEM one. I don't know, we'll see. I'm still kind of undecided on this. I don't know, it's just one of those little things I saw and I just bought it and it was $10. All right, so this is a conversion harness for the EM2, so K20 to EM2. I have not looked into the instructions yet, but I mean, it doesn't seem too hard to do. I'm not too worried about the wiring, honestly. Show you guys the quality on this. I was really impressed by it. People were saying you don't need this harness, which I'm pretty sure you don't. It's just, you know, it's doing all the whole conversion for you. Yeah, it should be pretty easy, honestly. It looks pretty straightforward. It's a process to figure out all the parts you need and doing stuff the right way the first time around. I think that's one of the main things I learned with the RSX, was to do it right the first time. I purchased the EM2. I purchased that chassis almost a year ago, and ever since I purchased it, I've been putting parts together, putting money aside, and kind of just collecting stuff and figuring out what I needed, doing my research. whether it was asking people or just going on forums or just printing out stuff, watching videos on YouTube, stuff like that. You can really learn a lot just by researching and stuff. And it's okay to ask people, like, you know, when you need help or you have questions and stuff, but most of the stuff is on the internet and you could do your own research and really figure it out, man. My YouTube is me sharing the videos, so a lot of the stuff is out there. I mean, I still have people ask me even though the videos are out there, but I understand some of the stuff I share is kind of hidden inside the video. That's why I try and title the videos correctly, so you guys can find them. If you're searching it up on Google or on YouTube and stuff, it'll pop up, you know. So if I did miss a couple videos or something like that, I might actually do it with the EM2, even though I'm not doing like tutorials and stuff no more, DIYs. I might actually do one or two that I feel should be out there to help you guys. So yeah, we just got to find these. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked all this stuff we picked up. Oh, and one other thing I want to say is that this red is not the DC5 Type R red. This red right here is a really close red. It's the closest red that he had that's like closest to the rally red or the rail red. I don't know how to say it, but it's pretty much the same, almost the same color. So same thing we did with the subframe. We got that powder coated. I made sure this was the same color. I didn't want this to be like a pearl dark burgundy red or just an off red where it doesn't match the car. So yeah, hopefully I didn't bore you guys and do this part opening or whatever, box opening, and I spoke too much, but I want to just go over stuff that I had and catch you guys up on, you know, stuff I've been ordering and stuff. I do have a ton more stuff I should probably open up and show you guys, as far as like the exhaust, which we've had for a while now. Those are one of the main things we opened up first. So like we got the K Pro, we got the exhaust, we got the header, we got, you know, we got the throttle body I did show you guys on the last opening, the intake I showed you guys, the engine mounts I did show it on live stream, but I'm not sure if I made a video on it. There's a bunch of other stuff I got to show you guys. Maybe I'll make a video on that as well if you guys want to see it. And hopefully you guys are enjoying this type of view up here where I'm using the GoPro more often and I'm using my phone more often, because the iPhone X, the Pro Max or whatever, the camera on it is really good. So I've just been using my phone like that and just using the GoPro. But yeah, I'll check you guys out. Hopefully you guys like this, and everybody be safe. I'll see you guys on I don't know, I'll see you guys on the next upload. Bye guys.